you're good and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. So on today's video we have a very clean Ford Escort, proper restoration. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one, guys. Stay tuned. This is a very clean build. Stay tuned. As I was saying, guys, you don't want to miss this one. You see what I meant by a clean restoration, guys? Like a clean restoration. But anyway, first let's start with the engine bay. FE engine. Just look at how shiny that turbo is, guys. But clean car, guys. Clean. Look at the meat at the back. Check out the meat. But yeah, guys, you don't want to miss this one. Tuned by Richie, of course. Before I forget, guys, let me show you the interior, guys. Very clean restoration. Absolutely zero flaws you'd find on this car. Guys, from interior to exterior to engine bay, this car is just clean literally from roof to tires, if I can say that, guys. This car is very clean, guys. Yeah, just look at that. Beautiful. So let me explain before getting into today's video. So the first few runs is going to be low boost. So it's going to be on pump fuel. It's going to be the first few runs low boost. And then later, more towards the end of the video, yeah, I think that's how I'm going to edit it. More towards the end of the video, it's going to be the high boost runs, whereby the fuel is of course switched and more boost. So as you can see, guys, we're draining the 95 for other fuel. Draining the fuel, guys. Check the boot setup. Time to switch the fuel up and more boost. Je vais pas prêt.
Weet je? Restare of de snelweg? Oh, eruit trekken. Nee. Ja.
So guys, yeah, we've made it to the end of the dyno session. Precision. Oh, but yeah guys, check the figures. 657 horsepower from a 4-cylinder Ford Escort, guys.
2 liters.
Huh? 2 liter.
Yeah.
2 liter.
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Guys, let's talk about power. So you happy?
Oh yeah. Why is that?
Tuned by Richie. But yeah guys, also Uncle Richie's Bucky. As you guys know, ZF, I'm still gonna post a video about it, but be patient for that one.